Amen.
Verse 5 to 9. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your strength. A girl. The embodiment of love. Yes, Renee. Amen.
Good day, everyone. Let us all stand up and pray. Thank the Lord for today. Thank the Lord in His name. Amen.
Amen.
We want to thank everyone for giving us time to celebrate the first birthday of our dear daughter, Jessie Renee.
Yun po, nasabi niyo na lahat. Maraming salamat at relax lang kayo. Let's enjoy the time that we have.
Makiapo. Okay, next, Ricky! Ay, talaga. Post, ikot. Awe, post. Post, ikot. Ikot. Oy, ang pwede ni Mami. Okay, post. Okay, ikot. Tingin ulit doon. Ikot.
Monkey.
Monkey! Uy, ganda ng monkey. Kayo po.
Sabi ni JJ, chicken.
Chicken. Okay.
Ow, 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 ow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, what is the title of music?
Mateka.
This is for you. Congratulations. And our next music. What is the title of music?
Jopay.
Jopay.
Mawala. Huwag ka nang mawala.
Alright, congratulations. And congratulations. And our next music.
Mag-enjoy ka, Nay.
No, no, Kuya, just kidding. Three. Okay, very three. Yo, there. Three. Oh, it's a Ooh, magic! Alright, what happened? Are you ready? Okay, go. And three. Alright.
2, 3, rabbit.
Okay, wait. Ah! Okay, sit down, ladies. Ready? 1, 2,